Welcome back. Well, it was a superlative day today. Temperatures topping out in the upper 70s. We'll be in the 70s next couple of days. And check out the calendar so far this month. We entered the month a little below normal on the 1st. Then we had a string of 80-degree days that got us up to right around November 11th, Veterans Day. And then you could see the definitive change in the pattern. Lots of 50s and 60s, now back into the 70s. So let's take this over to the chroma key wall. You see that full screen. And then you look at the rainfall, and it's rained every Saturday so far for November, and we're going to round out the month, the bingo card, and put rain in the bucket, and maybe a couple of inches for your Saturday, and certainly for tomorrow, maybe leaning and slopping into Friday as well. But I have lowered the rain chances Friday. We've been kind of messing around with this fast-moving upper-level low that's going to become nearly stationary back here toward Texas and New Mexico, so it's going to be slowing down. And that's going to be our weather maker. And it's always difficult to forecast how they're going to sling weather systems at us. Timing wise, how intense will they be? And when will the darn upper level low clear the area? And now that's not going to happen until Saturday afternoon or evening. That's when we do expect drier air to begin to work its way into the region. It's producing snow right now from the Wyoming Rockies down through Colorado. Winter storm watches in effect for portions of New Mexico back through the Texas Panhandle. 4 to 6 inches of snow here at least, and then you get into higher elevations. Some of the ski resorts in southeastern New Mexico may pick up more than a foot. So if you want to go see snow, you got to just go about 15-mile drive to the west. Meanwhile, you see showers and storms starting to bust out across Texas, northeast Texas. This is going to fill in across Texas later on tonight. And going into tomorrow, the Storm Prediction Center does have a marginal risk of isolated severe storms for southeast Texas, including southwest Louisiana, includes the western flank of Vermilion Parish, much of Jeff Davis, all of Cameron, Calcasieu, and portions of Beauregard and Allen parishes. But that's just a rough shot line. We could see a couple of strong storms for the rest of Acadiana as well going into tomorrow evening. And then again, I think on Saturday as well. And the Weather Prediction Center also hatching us in for a slight risk of excessive rainfall for the possibility of some localized flooding for tomorrow. We also had one in for Friday. They took that one out in recognition that we're not going to see much rain on Friday, but Saturday we may be under that gun once again. Per the Weather Prediction Center, looking at 3 to 5 inches or more southeast Texas, 2 to 3, 2 to 4 across much of Acadiana, lesser amounts to the south and east. And we'll show you the latest model data coming up in just a bit. Graph model comes in at exactly 10:05, so this is the latest model run. We hold in the mid to upper 50s. The clouds increase through tomorrow. Scattered showers begin developing tomorrow afternoon, but the big heavy-duty stuff comes in tomorrow evening, and maybe a couple of strong isolated severe cells here, and you're going to catch 1 to 2 inches of rain in a short period of time, and then the showers gradually diminish as one impulse moves off to the east as we head into Friday. Notice Friday, just cloud cover. There we could see patchy light rain or drizzle. I've lowered the rain chance down to 30%, but going into Friday evening, rain and storms redeveloping as we head into Saturday with the threat of strong storms once again Saturday afternoon, and then clearing out as we head into Saturday evening. Here's the graph model rain. First round of rain, heaviest to the north and west. Most of us see a ½ inch to an inch through Friday morning, and then we add the next round of showers and storms, and you can see most of the area seeing 2 to 3, up to 3 to 4 inches, and there's going to be hot spots that are going to be in the 5 to 6 inch range, so keep that in mind. 50s tonight, we'll go into the mid 70s tomorrow, and here's your true view forecast, 57 as the clouds increase overnight tonight. Then tomorrow we start off mostly cloudy and the clouds thicken up. We might get above 74, and then notice we see the showers and storms moving in as we head into the afternoon hours, and that continues going into tomorrow night with plenty of rain and storms in the forecast. Your rain chance tomorrow night, tomorrow evening going up to near 100%. As we move into the 10-day forecast, after an unsettled period through Saturday, Sunday looks great, so does Monday, and then maybe another weather system that could present some strong storms along about next Wednesday.
All right, but in the meantime, get ready for tomorrow, I guess.
Get ready for some wet weather gear, and be careful on the roads, especially when it's storming out there for sure.
Okay, good advice. Thanks, Rob.